What happens? When a government facility strikes a coin on the wrong metal, you get a numismatic paradox, a coin that looks like the past but carries the date of the future. We are opening an investigation into a legend of the Denver Mint. The 1944 D penny struck on a leftover steel planchet. In a year when copper was the law, a few steel ghosts escaped the presses. This is not just a mistake. It is a high-value mismatch that has eluded collectors for decades. Today, we are auditing the 1944 D steel rarity to see if your collection holds a secret worth a six-figure payout. The evidence traces back to a simple logistical failure. In 1943, pennies were steel. In 1944, they were supposed to be bronze. But at the Denver Mint, the bins were not perfectly empty. A handful of zinc-coated steel blanks from the previous year remained trapped in the supply hoppers. When the 1944 dies began to hammer away, these steel stragglers were caught in the middle. The result was a transitional error, a 1944 date on 1943 material. It is a mechanical fingerprint of the transition from a war economy to a peace economy. To verify a 1944 D steel cent, you must look past the color. Counterfeiters often plate common copper pennies to mimic the look. Our investigation uses two non-negotiable tests. First test, if of the magnetism. If it is genuine steel, then it will leap toward a magnet. Second test is the weight. A bronze 1944 D weighs 3.11 grams, but the steel rarity weighs approximately 2.7 grams. If your coin passes both, you move to the final audit, inspecting the mint mark. On a real 1944 D error, the D must show strike flow lines consistent with a hard steel planchet and a detail forgers almost always miss. Why does the Denver D carry such weight in the market? While the Philadelphia Mint produced a few more of these errors, the Denver versions are statistically much harder to find. In the current 2026 auction cycle, a mid-grade 1944 D steel cent is a $40,000 asset. However, if the coin has avoided the rust that plagues steel, and its value hits a vertical curve. We have seen mint state examples coins that still have that original zinc shimmer shatter records at over $115,000. It is one of the few coins where a single letter D can double the price of the error. The 1944 D steel cent is a testament to the fact that perfection is rare, but valuable mistakes are rarer. It reminds us that every coin we hold is a product of a complex machine. Occasionally fails in the most spectacular way. As you search through your heritage sets and old jars, remember that the most unassuming gray penny could be the centerpiece of a world-class collection. The Denver Mint's oversight created a legacy. Now it is up to you to find it. Have you checked your 44s with a magnet today? Share your investigation results in the comments, and do not forget to like, follow, and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.